Welcome to PCJ Programming. Today we begin our Java Beginner series. Java is a powerful and highly popular programming language used all around the world. It is trusted for mobile apps, desktop software, enterprise systems, and large-scale applications. There are many reasons to learn Java. Java has high job demand. It is used to build Android apps. It powers banking and enterprise software. And it is one of the most beginner-friendly languages to start with. Java follows the rule: write once, run anywhere. When you write Java code, it is first compiled into bytecode. This bytecode runs on the Java Virtual Machine, also known as the JVM, which allows Java programs to work on any device. Here is a simple Java program. Class main. Inside it, we have the main method. This is where your program starts. The line system.out.println prints text on the screen. This is the basic structure of every Java program you will write. In this 30-day series, you will learn Java step by step. We will cover variables, data types, loops, object-oriented programming, and real projects. Everything explained in a simple and clear way. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to PCJ Programming and continue to Day 2, where we learn Java variables. See you in the next class.